Another smartwatch that I will be going to unbox. But before that, kindly hit that button below. Please do like and subscribe. Let's unbox this first. Let's start with the smartwatch. First impression. Well, I may say it doesn't feel or look cheap at all. Then this USB to magnetic pin charging cable. And the user manual with different language translation. This smartwatch is with 1.46-inch HD touchscreen display with sweat-proof TPU watch strap. The watch frame is made of plastic, with stainless steel bezel, and protected with rubber. While this is not just a smartwatch, it's two-in-one device. Smartwatch and TWS earphones. I may say the device build is superb. Design and quality of the material is amazing. The earphones are hidden here, covered with rubber. Removing the earphones is a bit struggles when you have bigger fingers because the earphones are a bit smaller. Answering phone call using this headset by double-tapping this touch key. Listening to music can be controlled also by the headset. By the way, this tiny hole serves as microphone and light indicator. So, by double-tapping the touch key means you may play or pause the music, and by triple-tapping the touch key, you're selecting next or previous song. And the underneath is the charging pin and the heart rate sensor. So it has one button only that serves as the power, wake up, and menu button. In changing the watch faces, just do long press the screen. Then you have 9 choices. But don't worry. In the app, you have more option to choose. To access the menu, then short press the power button. Well, if you're bored about the menu view, then you may change the interface with different options depending upon your preference. So how does the interface works? Then swipe from left to access the shortcut menu. Then swipe from up to access TWS status. Swipe from down to access notification. And then swipe from right to access activity, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, weather, music player, calculator, camera control, and exercises records. For hassle-free, then it's a must to enable this function. Whenever you raise your wrist, the watch will automatically light up. So where you can find the app? In the settings, press the About, and then press the app download, and the QR code appears. And the application name is TWS. Or in the manual, the QR code is printed there. By scanning it, you may download the app. There are 2 connections via Bluetooth, one for the watch and the other is for the headset. When taking earphones from the compartment, the Bluetooth will automatically turn on, and when it is returned to it, then it will automatically turn off. Just for clarification, in the manual or in TEMU app, it doesn't indicate if this device is a waterproof rating. So I suggest never wear this while taking shower or swimming, and even washing your hands. You have 2 options, in listening the music or answering the calls. Either you will use the watch speaker or the earphones. Both has built-in microphone. Check this, I am using the smartwatch speaker. Well, I may say the watch speaker is really clear, though not as loud. But for me, it's enough already listening music when I'm alone. But before that, if you're new in this channel, please hit the button. Kindly like and subscribe. The music function will work only on YouTube, Spotify, or I guess other music platform. But in TikTok or watching Reels, well, it doesn't work at all. You can use only the speaker, but doing some play or pause, then do it in your phone.
Direct to your smartphone. And with 1000 milliamp hour battery capacity. Watch till the end if this has 4K resolution and how long the battery will last. Inside the box, let's start with the user manual with different language translation. This is my Samsung Galaxy A56 5G unboxing. Let's start with this user manual. Why do I purchase this? Isn't it cool that you're having a smartwatch at the same time?
And the shutter function will work only if you use the DA Fit app camera. I've tried both Apple and Android smartphone. None of it work in their main camera app. So how does this camera works? First, press the shutter function in the watch. Then when you open the app, the camera will automatically open. In case you misplaced either your smartphone or the watch, then locating it much easier. Just press this icon or find the device button, and then the device will vibrate. So in the watch, there are 9 choices for watch faces. But in the app, there's a lot of option to choose. Just download and choose the style that fits your needs. By the way, downloading the watch faces can be done only one at a time. So how was that? Let me know your thoughts. Please comment down below. Your comments is highly appreciated. Well, about the battery. Indeed, the battery offer long-lasting usage. But I suggest, if you're not using the smartwatch, then try to turn it off. And that's it. If you reached till this video, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.